Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rivia Priska Wasyanti. I will explain about interactive and participative method. First, I will explain about the definition. Interactive or participative method of teaching is a means of interacting whereby the teacher actively involves the student in their learning process. By way or regular teacher-student interaction, student-student interaction, use of audio-visual, and hand-on demonstration. The students are constantly encouraged to be active participants. Participative teaching method is based on current teaching thinking and teaching theory as a guide. Interactive or participative method of teaching. The method is driven by the situational analysis of what is the most appropriate thing for use to learn or do now given the situation or learners and the teacher. They require our participatory understanding of various domain and factor. The method of education are the ways used by the teacher in school to help pupils discover life, nature, the world, things, and science. The pedagogical quality of the didactic method involves transforming it from a path of knowledge proposed by the teacher into a learning pathway actually realized by preschool student informal and non-formal education with opens to permanent education. The dilemmas of modernization and improvement of didactic methodology are in the direction are increasing the active character of the teaching. Using the new learning technologies, overlapping the questioning on each method and technical learning, thus making a significant contribution to the development of the pupil entry potential. The primary requirement of progressive education, as Jean Piaget says, is to ensure of diverse methodology based on combining independent learning and work with cooperative group and independent work. At the same time, didactic methods are action plans with a self-regulating function, a set of operations that are carried out is order to achieve a goal, and ways of action strategies through which the student reveal the essence of phenomena, process, and event. The functional of teaching method, the formative educational, cognitive function, the motivational function, the instrumental or operational, and the normative. Interactivity involves learning through communication, collaboration, produce and confrontation of ideas, opinion, and arguments, and create this learning situation focus on the willingness of children to cooperate, on their direct and active involvement, on the mutual influence within the microgroups and the social interaction member of a group. The characteristic of modern participatory methods, they are attractive, stimulate active involvement in the teaching task, stimulate the initiative, ensure better implementation of knowledge, skill, and abilities, capitalize and stimulate the creative potential, the originality of children, act on student critical thinking, students become responsible for solving tasks, promote cooperative learning, children learn to justify their action, teach students to communication with each other and listen to opinions of others. Model education teaches that active is the thinking child who makes a personal, inner, and abstract reflection effort, which is given to approach to learn knowledge by understanding, storing, and applying them personally, which research and rediscover the truth and not that which reproduce mechanically the material taught by the teacher. These types of education wishes to train students able to solve any unexpected problem situation, that is able to focus an activity for a longer time, and who are willing to developmental their full potential. During the teaching process, we have to make the child an active participant in his or her own learning process, prepared to acquire knowledge through his or her own effort. By engaging the thinking and mobilizing all intellectual function, the transfer of knowledge must be a kind of didactic game in order to attract the children and to get them is the net of the interactive educational process. When we decide to become teacher, we are directly responsible for the education and developmental of the pupil or children to whom we will be educator. In this process, we have an important role because of us our behavior, but especially the method we apply define of the development and involvement for children in the interactive educational process. Interactive learning will bring children to face the real world more practically, face to face with the social environment, and allow children to more actively participate in learning with friends and facilitators. When interactive with children, teachers must stimulate children so that children can be active with friends during learning. Besides that, children do not tend to be passive in the class. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, we can apply this method to our students at school and make children active in learning. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.